Hey everybody, it's Benny. Today we're going to make persimmon jam or persimmon jelly, and we're going to do it practically with no work at all. So first, take a couple of persimmons, wrap them up in a plastic bag and wrap it nice and airtight so that it doesn't get freezer burn. And all we're going to do is put it in the freezer, bye-bye. Let it freeze through, maybe a day, 2 days, whatever it is, and take it out, put it back in the fridge and let it thaw. You can also leave it at room temperature. And then take that unfrozen persimmon, throw it back in the freezer again, and let it go and freeze through. Take it out again, and we're going to keep repeating this freezing and thawing action anywhere between 5 to 10 times. The more times you do it, the more the fruit cells will be broken down by that action, and the smoother your jelly will be, and actually the more sweet that it'll taste. So we keep repeating this until you feel like it's really soft when it's thawed. So here you can see that the outside of the skin feels really soft. The skin is not broken, just the freezing action has done that. Stir it around with a spoon, and if you want some of that flesh that hasn't broken down yet, you can certainly scoop that as well. That's pretty much it. Add a little bit of salt just to bring out some of that sweetness and give yourself a little bit of balance in the flavor. And that's all you need to do. You can use that anywhere. You can eat it on bread if you wanted to, like marmalade. You can also add it to the sides of your dessert just to add an accent flavor and act very fancy. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.